Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. We have a little bit of a problem. So it has started snowing here, and snow has already started piling up on the greenhouse, and the plastic has already started bowing in. So we've only received maybe an inch of snow, and it's already causing a problem, and we're supposed to get anywhere from 8 to 10 inches. And the wind is picking up, so I hope you can hear me in here, but we're supposed to get 8 to 10 inches of snow, so I'm a little worried about this greenhouse, I'm not gonna lie. It's supposed to snow all night tonight, so I'm probably going to have to get up every once in a while throughout the night and come out here and push the snow off the top of this greenhouse to keep it from caving in. I have this fireplace out here, but it's not cutting it. It's 30 degrees in here, so that's not going to melt the snow off of the top of here. So, I don't know how much of this I'm going to be able to capture on camera. I'll bring the camera with me every time I come out here and push the snow off. But I just wanted to, since we're getting our first major snowstorm of the season, I wanted to bring the camera along and show you all how it goes. This is the first time it's snowed while I've had this greenhouse, and it's going to be interesting. However, on the plus side, in my plant room in here, oh, it feels so much better in here. It is 75 degrees, 73 degrees. And I think it's around 23 degrees outside. So the canna plants aren't fazed by this winter storm one bit. And here's the seeds I started in my last video. Let me see. I don't see any green popping up yet. Probably take a couple more days. Gonna go outside. Okay, so it's the next day, and as you can see behind me, the greenhouse survived the winter storm. I think we got close to 7 inches, maybe around 6 to 7 inches of snow. I did have to come out a few times throughout the night and push the snow off the top of the greenhouse like you saw me in that last clip, but it was too dark in there, you couldn't see anything on the camera, so I decided not to film it. Since we got all this snow, I think I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna head down to my parents' house and spend the day with my family. And I don't know exactly what we have planned. I think my brother wants to take the kids out on the go-kart and stuff like that. So we'll see what happens when I get there. But before I leave, I wanted to show you something, because in that last clip that you saw, it's been a couple of days since then, so I wanted to show you something. First of all, it's 20 degrees outside and it's still 71 in here. So this heater does an awesome job in here, but we now have some green in the seeds that I started the other day. The lettuce, all the cells have popped up, and there's multiple plants in each cell. Last night I came out here and there was nothing in the broccoli, but it looks like I have a few cells popping up in the broccoli. Cabbage has quite a bit, and the Brussels sprouts have quite a bit. So I think I'm gonna give it another day or so, and then I'll take that humidity dome off, and then once the plants get big enough, I will pot them up in their own pots. You can't throw them at me because I've got a camera, but I can throw them at you.
Hey, that's not fair. Didn't get me.
Okay, okay. You can get air them up.
Check them. Here.
Here, let me get the kneadboard.
I'll check this one.
This one needs to be aired up.
This one doesn't. All good.
Ariana, get on your dirt bike.
Oh, golly.
Do you think you can handle it?
Yeah. Well, it doesn't work.
Probably not today though, huh?
No.
Cameron,
There's a different one.
was that fun?
Yes.
Was he screaming?
He screamed once, a couple
got
times. When we started, like, when we did it over there, when
Did
we
you hear him?
whipped around,
Yeah.
he goes, "Wah!"
Get on your dirt bike.
That dirt bike.
Nope, this one. Get on yours.
Okay.
The other side.
Other side, Bubba.
Other foot. There you go. All right.
Cool, buddy.
Do you like it?
Is that your dirt bike? Is that one yours?
You can take on it for a ride? Yes. Okay, let's go. Oh, he all tries to pick up the kickstand. There we go.
Mad whenever he finds out he can't.
There we go. We did it. You taking me for a ride? Yes. Okay. Whoa. Okay, hang on.
Ooh, that was close. Cut that one out. Ooh, leave that one in.
Ow! I don't have to pick me up.
Time.
No? There's no time in this game. For real. Ow! Snow. Let's play snowball.
Well, we ended up having a pretty good snow day. It was definitely nice to get out and just take a break from everything and enjoy some family time. The kids also made snow ice cream. I was going to film that, but I ended up not getting my camera out when they were making it. But I did get a picture of that. I'll post that up on the screen so you all can see that. I think, I'm keeping my fingers crossed, but I think the weather is supposed to be nice the rest of this week and then this weekend, so I may be able to get out and actually do a project outside. So hopefully the weather cooperates and I'm able to do that. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.